It's slime time! The first ingredient is glow.
Is what?
Glow. Is that enough?
No, we gotta go all the way to the top. Boo.
Put it in by the under the sea, SpongeBob. I can't even see inside the cup. The second ingredient is shaving cream.
You know what? I think we got the wrong shaving cream.
Mommy, the next ingredient, Mommy. SpongeBob, shave cream, shave. It made a big thumb. Never say bad words ever in your life. This is a lot, or else you'll go to jail. Do I have to say shaving cream? No, I have to say shaving cream.
I think I got it.
You okay?
You sound like a baby.
Come on, child.
Shut up, baby. Pasta. Dump. The third ingredient is soap.
Kiss your hand with soap on it.
Kids, whatever you do not eat soap. Oh, that tastes gross. Step number 4, mix it.
Is everybody's mixed up all together?
What's
over there?
Step number 5, add cornstarch. And the food colors and mix it up again. This is so sticky. Again. Everybody, let me look at lotion. Wait, lotion?
I'm a dad. I don't get to do the fun stuff. I get to pay bills and make sure everybody's in the house happy.
That paper down.
And that's where my smile comes from.
Step number 7, add the color. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. After what I want, let
Slow down. Look at your hands. Slow down.
After
Don't wipe it on your shirt.
green, not the blue. Mommy, I want 2 more colors. Yellow.
Yellow.
And
Okay.
after yellow, I need what? Yellow makes red. Color creation. Step 8, water and borax. No, this. What in the world? I thought Nikki. It's so sticky that I barely can even move this. This is so heavy. It's hard to steal, but it's still liquid. Let that light go up, Kai. Kai, let that light go up. I got dark go up. It's like I'm spanking it. Yeah, you got closer slime than us. Mommy?
Let me see yours.
Yeah. Mommy, I like whipped cream. I want to make my slime like whipped cream.
See, yours is the stickiest.
Mine's making real grow up. This is the stick. Look at me. Look at me. Stickiest. Ooh, mine is turned to light. Mine turned to light slime. It's hard to start. It's just too sticky. It's turning gray? How's this possible? My hands are gray. My hands.
I just said steps, but I ain't know the measurements myself.
Kneading it. Look at me kneading. Wait, how does that kneading? Knead your feet. Punchy. Just the punchy.
Be careful.
This is turning. Oh, mommy.
It's okay. That's why you got a play shirt on.
I'm so glad I got a play shirt on, because if this wasn't a play shirt, ooh, I'd be in trouble.
You still need more borax. Yours is still.
Is it done yet? Making my hands. No, it's turning gray. My hands is now slimy. Mommy, do I look like a zombie? What about me?
Why your hands so dry?
Red.
Alright, guys.
Knead it, punch it in the face. Knead it. I'm kneading mine. My mom got the instructions wrong.
Aiden.
Oh man. That's stuck in my thing. Shall I wash my hands? So much mess. I have funny hands. Oh, that is on
No.
That is a total disaster.
Basically, I don't want to cook tonight, so.
Whoa, look at the ball. My turn to slime. Oh, it looks like a Rapunzel. Turn. Be careful. I got a turd coming out.
You have a casualty.
Hey, the knuckle fit.
Dead on that table.
You look like Incredible Hulk.
Oh, you just saw it. He's slapping the beat. What? Now it's a baby. Now it's sleeping. This is it's a human, but not just an ordinary human, a human with no arms, and a human with no body.